Hi, I am Professor Suryaditya Saha from Kolkata. My phone number 8017309883. My email ID is sandshaha82@gmail.com. Everyone from the around the world who believes my prediction that today market little bit of below 10,000 level, that is not a panic situation, because market always making a double bottom around 9950, and today below 10,000 closing, not a panic. Don't be panic in this market. Don't be panicked anybody around you yourself. And this is the market is a big bull run trend has going on, and I believe you have to invest on every dips, because August series end with 10,400 above closing, and I believe there will be lots of stocks to invest in this situation. Don't be panicked by China India coalition. China India coalition not a situation to break market below 9,000 as now. And I believe the America, Japan and others country like Australia are beside India. And wherever China tries to make a coalition to India, they will be fall. And this is the win of the India. And I believe India will win if there was any war with China. And this is the form of Hinduism. This is the form of all global Hinduism. And I believe India will win. But not now. This will coming as per Gan astrology. This will come on 2018 July. The China and India coalition possible in 2018 July, not now. But the tension will going on up to 2018 July. But every dips is a buying opportunity. 9,700 not be broken now. I selected 17 sector for investment purposes for the next 4 years bull run. Textile, pharmaceuticals, cement, power, FMCG, ceramic, petroleum, jewelry, auto ancillary, chemical, agro product, tire, leather, realty and infra, sugar, metal and finance. This 70 sector oriented stocks you should be invest for the next 4 years. Textile stocks and other stocks, sector wise stocks I will discuss now. Textile oriented, Arrow Textile, Nitin Spinner, Ambika Cotton Mills, GTN Textile, Phonex Mills, Jindal Worldwide. This is quite bull run left for the next 4 years. Pharmaceuticals have lots of drug oriented and chemical oriented, and also very much research oriented stocks like Aztec Life Sciences, Kaplan Point Laboratories, Sanofi India, Bliss, GVS Pharma, Ayush Food and Herbs, Lipsa, whatever that is different, that is around, sorry, Bliss GVS Pharma, not Ayush Food and Herbs, sorry. So Aztec Life Sciences, Kaplan Point Laboratories, Sanofi India and Bliss GVS Pharma. If you see cement, there is Dalmia Bharat Cement, OCL India, Ramco Cement. I see this is all are very bullish and return lots of. Power, Energy Development and Company Limited, GIPCL, Suzlon Energy, India Power Corporation, Janus Power Infrastructure. FMCG product are Heritage Foods, Parag Milk Foods, Umang Dairies, Imami, KRBL, ADF Foods. Ceramic, Oriental Trimex, Regency Ceramics, Sera Sanitary Ware, HSIL Limited, Neatco Tiles. This is all are ceramics oriented. Jewelry oriented, Renaissance Jewelry, Goldium International, Titan Company, Lipsa Gems and Jewelry. Auto ancillary will be moving more like pharma in the next 4 years. Ramkrishna Forging, Sonakayo Steering Systems, Ucal Fuel Systems, Alicon Castalloy, Minda Industries, Gabriel, Timken India. These all are multi-bagger, I think so. Chemical, Sudarshan Chemical Industries, Punjab Chemical, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, RCF, OCCL. These are chemical stocks. Agro product, Agritech India, Avanti Feeds, Madras Fertilizer, Dhanuka Agritech. These are all agro products. Tire, Apollo Tires, Balkrishna Industries, JK Tire and Seat. Leather, Mirja International, Liberty Shoes, Sri Leather, Bata India. These all are leather oriented. Realty and Infra, Suntech Realty, Asiana Housing, RPP Infra Projects, JP Associates, Ducon Infra Technology Limited, Skill Infrastructure, SKIL, Skill Infrastructure Limited, Shankara Building Limited. Sugar, Dhampur Sugar Mills, Darikesh Sugar Industries, Rasri Sugars and Chemicals, Dharani Sugars. These all are sugar stock. Metal, HEG, Hague, Graphite India, Gravita India, IMFA, Hilton Metal Forging. These all are metal oriented. Finance oriented, Max Venture and Industries, India Bull Ventures, Crest Ventures. These all are finance oriented. So all these stocks I select for the common people who want to invest for the next 4 years on the 17 sectors. The 17 sector portfolio are given to you for the invest of common people who have 1 lakh to 3 lakh rupees can invest in these stocks. But for more gain in the portfolio making by me, I will give you lots of multi-bagger from my research stock. This is what I given in the YouTube is the free services, and those who are want to get paid services from me to make a portfolio that will be run around 9 to 10 times in the next 4 years, and with bonus and dividend after 12 times. They can join me in the number 8017309883. I will make their portfolio. My portfolio charges is 10 stock 25,000, 20 stock 35,000 and 30 stock 45,000. This is the main charge I uh, want to get to make your portfolio. If you have lots of money in the market, then invest into the market in SIP method, and don't be panic with these financial astrologers or technical analysts that market will fall below 9700 or below 9000 in the 2017 and 2018 first half. Market will test above 11,000 Nifty index. There is lots of opportunity in the market are still left, and no war will happen within 2017 in the next 1 year. That is the main concern of all the people asked me every times. And I also started a course, GAN Astrotechnical course, that is depends on two sector. GAN astro technical course depend on technical portion and astrology portion. The technical portion is teach by manually by scientific calculator and taken by a calling phone in course, and I will call the student and taken the class. And also the last 4 months course is based on mm, actually astrological portion of the ephemeris of astronomical data, where you can get timing portion of the all the market prediction. The books is looks like this. This is called ephemeris. Ephemeris 2017. It is the main portion of the prediction of market timing. They can also use these books for market timing, and also the technical portion I will teach you in the first 2 months. In the first 2 months, you can teach by me the technical manual portion, like low to high calculation, like intraday pivot calculation, what when you have to buy the future, when you have to sell the future, all these in the stock future, in the nifty, in the bank nifty, all is compatible to this theory. And you can also trade with commodity with this theory. So those who are interested to join my astrotechnical course, the course fee is 50,000 for the 6 months. They can call me. Those who are serious person, please call me 8017309883. And also those who are want to make their portfolio, the ultra portfolio is 30 stock, the charges is 45,000. Those who want to make for the 9 to 10 times return in the next 4 year, and call me 8017309883. And also mail me around outside the India, uh, call me, mail me at the sansha82@gmail.com. Don't panic. Today's fall, I again say, the expiry of August will be on the higher side from current situation to 400 to 500 point above. So go long and buy Nifty in every dips. Bye.